Good morning, dear parents and my dear children. Yeah, I know I have started the fifth lesson without any introduction. Sorry for that. We were very busy correcting your notes. Okay, children? So I am continuing the lesson that we have stopped, the northern plains. We have already heard about northern mountains, and now we have heard about northern plains. Very beautiful and wonderful nature's gift for us, because without this India won't be like this. And thank God we are all happy and safe in our country. Children, I express my sincere thanks to all your parents for paying the fee without delay. Thank you also for studying, learning, because without your cooperation, we cannot do whatever we want. So we are very grateful to you all. Thank you. Let us continue with the lesson. Yes, my dear children, you have heard about the northern plains and the main rivers that form the plains in North India. Now let us see the major occupations, life, and the colorful dresses, the cities they live, the food they eat, and so on. The northern plains are one of the most fertile and densely populated regions in India. Agriculture and industry are two important occupations of the people living here. Farmers grow rice, wheat, pulses, sugarcane, fruits, and vegetables. Punjab is the largest producer of wheat in India. Rice is mainly grown in the hot, wet regions of West Bengal and Bihar. The main industries in this region are the sugar, automobile parts, textile, and heavy machinery. Animal husbandry and dairy farming are also important activities. In the cities, people take up other jobs as well. Main cities. Many large cities like Chandigarh, Amritsar, Delhi, Meerut, Agra, Aligarh, Varanasi, Kanpur, Bareilly, Lucknow, Allahabad, Patna, Kolkata, and Guwahati lie in the northern plains. The Hindu people reserve the Ganga as a holy river. Many of the cities on the banks of the Ganga, like Haridwar, Varanasi, and Allahabad, have been important centers of pilgrim for more than 2000 years. Culture and art. The northern plains enjoy a rich and varied culture. Each state has its own special foods, traditional clothes, festivals, and style of art, dance, and music. Food. People in the northern plains eat a wide variety of food. Wheat is the main cereal eaten in the northern and western parts. In Bengal and Assam, rice and fish is widely consumed. You can see the pictures in your textbook, page number 35. Languages. The northern people speak a variety of languages. Of course, Hindi is the main language spoken by almost all the states. Punjabi is the main language in the state of Punjab. The people of West Bengal speak Bangla and the people of Assam speak Assamese. Clothing. The women of Punjab and Haryana traditionally wear salwar kurta and ghagra choli with dupatta. Sari is more popular in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. The traditional wear of men is kurta and pajama or dhoti. The dhoti is tied in different ways in different states. Festivals. Diwali, Dasara, Holi, Eid and Christmas are widely celebrated in this region. Gurpurab and Baisakhi are special festivals of Punjab. Chhat in Bihar, Durga Puja in Bengal and Bihu in Assam are important festivals. Handicrafts. Each region of the northern plains has its own special form of handicrafts. Kathak is one of the classical dance styles of India. It is known for its detailed footwork. This style originated in northern India. It developed under the influence of both Hindu and Muslim cultures. You see, children, truly we are unity in diversity. The type of food we eat to the clothes we wear. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.